Hey guys, so we're at the King Tandoori at Highway 7 in Mon. And basically, let me show to you what we guys have. We have the Seek Kebab, we have the Reshmi Kebab, and we have the grouper fish over here. It's all served on the metal skillet. It gets a little smoky over here for sure. But it also comes with a chutney, some onions, creamy sauce. So, normal spread. The seek kebab has a little flavor of cumin in it, but it's a chicken seek kebab, really smoky flavor. All three of the items are they're playing on the smoke central game over here. The grouper fish is our absolute favorite because fish just melts, it just breaks away right like that. And let's explore this. Alright guys, so basically what you see happening right now is that's the seek kebab right there. You see it's basically made out of minced chicken. There's also the option of having seek kebab with minced goat meat, which is the original form of seek kebab itself. This is with minced chicken. You can see that it has green chilies in it. Overall flavor itself is that of cumin and coriander, and it has green chilies. It has a little bit of papaya as well, I believe, just to kind of make it bound and the flavor all reacting properly. And just in a nutshell, it melts in your mouth because it's that soft. You usually pair the seek kebab with a green chutney like this one, with a coriander green chutney and some onions. Fantastic. Aside from that, you've got the chicken reshmi kebab. Reshmi kebab is basically marinated in cream or yogurt. That's why the chicken has a characteristic white coating to it. Again, you pair the reshmi kebab with green chutney as well because it's a pretty creamy by itself. So having a coriander and chili chutney paired with it, it's not rustic flavors. It tastes really nice, really hot, but really tasty, smoky goodness. And finally, the star of the show for me is the grouper fish. FYI, I've never had tandoori fish in India, but this is the first time that I've had tandoori fish over here. And the tandoori fish by itself is super flaky, breaks apart, super smoky, has a bit of a taste of coriander to it, but the best thing to pair that tandoori fish with is this white sauce that you see. It's a yogurt-based sauce, yogurt and mayo-based sauce. So, alright guys, so I'm trying the soya chop for the first time. I've never really tried this stuff before, so this is like an absolute first time trying it out for me. It's become really famous in India. I've never tried it, so right off the bat, because it's got a yellow masala on top of it, so I think it might go really well with the green chutney, but we'll also try it out with the yogurt chutney as well. Very moist, spongy, but it just absorbs all the flavor that it's been coated with. Absolute killer. You should try this out. It's got a little bit of char to it as well. Let me try it out with the white chutney as well, see how that tastes. I prefer it more with the white chutney. It's a little spicy by itself. Spicy in the sense it's more flavorful, but the white chutney kind of mellows it down. Really tasty. You have to try this out. We also got ourselves a Pali. The Pali comes with rice, butter chicken. There's a mutton gravy as well over there. Mutton, for those who don't know, mutton is goat meat. There's a raita. Raita is basically some lentil balls in a yogurt gravy. Yogurt spiced a little bit with crushed cumin, so it tastes really fantastic. And then there's a side salad with it too. So let me enjoy that now. Oh, and it also comes with a naan. So let's go. Let's enjoy that now. Alright guys, so look at how soft that naan is. Broke. Like that. Feels like a cloud. So I'm gonna try the mutton curry.
There are chunks of goat meat in there, and let me show to you guys this. Ooh, hot, really hot. So you see right over there, that super hot flaming piece of red meat is goat meat. It seems to be super tender. I'm kind of holding it in this already tender naan. Try it out. Oh, breaks apart. Breaks right apart. Really tasty. Let me try. It's a bit spicy. Um, it's a brown gravy, so more peppery in that taste, but it's really good. It's really flavorful. So let's try the butter chicken now. Oh, tomatoey, buttery, very creamy. Good choice. Good selection to have with thali as well.
Aside from the chicken and the butter chicken being dry, the thali was totally worth it for $13. The tandoori items were good. The soya chop was the most exciting thing for us as it took us by surprise. If you like this kind of a review, please let me know in the comments below. Also, please consider liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel as it'll encourage me to bring more better quality content like this for you. Please let me know what else you'd like for me to check out in the city. Signing off for now. Bye!